represents the strength of vertical machining purpose-built for demanding, heavy-duty precision applications. With a maximum turning diameter of phi 1600 millimeters and a phi 1650 millimeter swing, this machine reliably supports workpieces weighing up to 8,000 kilograms with exceptional stability. The phi 1400 millimeter rotary table features infinitely variable speed control, up to 230 RPM, delivering smooth, accurate, and stable turning performance. A high-torque spindle with C-axis interpolation enables multi-process machining in one setup. The machine multiple processes, delivering maximum precision and productivity for heavy-duty machining.